Good morning, class. Today we will continue chapter 5 in history when people rebel 1857 and after. In this chapter, I'm already explained causes of 1857 revolt and what were the steps taken by Britishers or company to destroy Mughal power in India. Today, start with immediate cause of 1857 revolt. On 29th March 1857, a young soldier, Mangal Pandey, children please learn this name. He was a historical personality. Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. Some days after, some sepoy refused to use new cottages which is suspected of being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. That is why 85 sepoys were dismissed from their service and sent to 10-year jail. Clear? And this was happened on 9th May 1857 in Meerut. The revolt of 1857 was a landmark in the history of India's struggle for freedom. Indian soldier reached on May 10, 1857 in Delhi and request to Bahadur Shah Zafar to bless the 1857 revolt and become the leader of this revolt. Bahadur Shah Zafar blessed this rebellion and now rebellion start against company. Children, see these pictures. These were the heroes of revolt and these were fight against company. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Begum Hazrat Mahal from Lucknow, Rani Lakshmi Bai from Jhansi, Nana Sahib from Kanpur, Tatya Tope from Jhansi, Mangal Pandey from Meerut, Kuwar Singh from Bihar, Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was the leader of 1857 revolt from Delhi. Hopefully you understand these all are leaders and participated in 1857 revolt against company. Main centers of revolt. Children see this map. Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Jhansi, Awadh, Calcutta. These all are center where different leaders participated in 1857 revolt against company. Suppression of the revolt. Britishers took various steps to suppress this revolt. First of all, Bahadur Shah Zafar was tried and sent to Rangoon. His children were killed. The control of Delhi and the imprisonment of the Bahadur Shah Zafar broke the backbone of the immunity. Lucknow was recaptured in 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed and Tate Tope was captured and hanged to death. Children, hopefully you understand. This is the way Britishers suppress this revolt. Now we will discuss causes of failure of revolt. Why different leaders participated in this 1857 revolt against Britishers. This was the huge movement firstly started by Indian rulers against Britishers. But why this revolt failed? Because this revolt started before the decided date. Clear? It is the first reason revolt started before the decided date and there is no unity between leaders. Clear? And Gorkha regiment and Indian soldiers support to Britishers. Clear? And the fine weapons in hand of Britishers. Fine resources to fight with Indian soldiers and Indian leaders had Britishers. Clear? And we have no strong leadership, and Britishers used different diplomatic policies to control and suppress this rebellion. These were the strong reason, that is why 1857 revolt against company totally failed. Results of the revolt. Children, this question is very important. Please listen to me carefully. What was the impact of 1857 revolt or aftermath? Clear? The rule of the East India Company ended after 1857 revolt. The company rule in India ended, and now East India Company power shifted to Queen Victoria. Clear? Now directly England control our administrative policies. Clear? Now, the main head of Britishers who control our administrative policy behalf of England or Britain, that person we known as Viceroy. Clear? Now, Britishers after 1857 revolt make a policy. After 1857 revolt, no one territory annexation by company. Clear? And those zamindars who were supported company in this revolt, they were awarded, and those who were supported 1857 revolt Indian rulers, they were punished. Company reduced the number of Indian soldiers from British army and increased the number of European soldiers in British army. These were the changes, impact of 1857 revolt. Hopefully you understand this lecture. Now this chapter is complete.